Hello parents. In today's video we will talk about the pretend play cooking kitchen and how it is going to be benefit in different aspect in learning life skills to our kiddo. Let's see how. This is really a fun and exciting activity that stretches the imagination and enriches creativity. Children come up with their own recipes, they make their own menu, explore different ingredients and experiment with pretend utensils and appliances. Through this pretend play, we can make them easily learn different kitchen vocab and some cooking action verbs like peeling, cutting, chopping, mixing and so on. This is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel Nidhi Mothers Club. Without any delay, let's watch the video.
Show us your kitchen setup, please.
Okay. Stove. This is my
Counter.
counter.
Okay.
Here my daughter wore a mermaid tail in her neck instead of wearing apron. This is also a part of pretending.
Then this is my washing sink.
Okay.
Then this is a stove, light,
Okay.
and this is pizza.
Okay.
This is vegetables and fruit.
Okay.
And they are
And what are you cooking on your stove today? What's special for lunch?
What's this for lunch?
Okay.
Putting pizzas.
She knows these are all kitchen food toy and she strongly pretend and imagine it's real, and so far she is baking pizza here.
This pizza hot. Then we fry burger.
You're frying bottle art?
Here she is naming all kitchen objects what she has.
Okay. Whisker. What we are whisking with that?
We're whisking.
And? Or when we are making pancake for an hour?
Yes.
Then we use
Oh, mommy.
Here she is struggling to express the right word, what she's supposed to say, which help her in language development.
We make idli, then we stir and mix. Okay.
Tell me all the objects you kept on the table, Anaya.
Okay, mommy. I will first I wash.
Okay, wash.
Glass I wash.
Washing glasses. Okay.
Yes.
Now show me all the stuff you have in
Okay.
your kitchen.
I will show you how to wash.
When she start cooking, she make ensure her kitchen utensils should be clean and dry. These senses involve planning and organizing her stuff.
We can spatula. This is stir.
Okay.
This is really a
turn
fun
off.
way to learn different kitchen objects without any stress job.
Okay.
This is steamer. Puri uthate hain.
Okay. And next?
This is like a puri.
Okay. We frying puri with this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But this is like a spider steamer.
Spider skimmer is a little bit bigger than that, isn't it?
Yeah, but this is like a spider steamer.
Yeah, it can work like that also.
See, we can.
Okay.
Then this
And
is
next?
ladder.
This
Ladder, we eat soup.
is. What is that?
Board,
Which board?
chopping board.
Okay.
Okay.
Peeling, chopping, cutting, meshing. These activities are also helps to building and
So you're
improving
chopping
fine motor skills of
of
our
cutting.
We
child.
should do like this.
Okay.
Then we could chop. See, not chopping. Now we can do like this.
Problem.
Then we will put this right here.
Okay.
Then we fry, and fry.
Okay. Anaya, now Mama will show you some flashcards for kitchen. Okay. So you have to identify and you have to tell what these are.
Yes.
Okay. Start.
Coffee maker.
Okay. This.
Mixing bowl.
Can you keep here? What is this?
Pillar.
Okay. Now,
Fry.
frying what?
Frying egg.
Pan.
Frying egg pan.
What is this?
Potato masher.
Very
This is like a tongo tongo.
What is this?
Grater.
Very good. What is this?
Slice.
Cake slicer.
Okay.
Okay. What is this?
Strainer.
What is this?
This is egg boil.
Tell me this.
Strainer.
Okay. This. What is that?
Napkin.
This.
Liver.
This.
Cutlery.
Very good. This.
Mittens.
Very good. This.
Chopping.
Chopping. What?
Chopping board.
Very good. What is this?
Knives.
Set of knives. What is this?
Garlic presser.
Garlic bread. What is this?
This is bowl.
Bowls.
Glass.
Glasses.
Cups.
Cups. This is tongue.
This look tango tango.
What is this?
Pressure cooker.
What is this?
Hammer stick.
Very good. This.
Plate.
Okay.
Butter. Okay. And this is.
What is this?
What is this?
Butter dish.
Butter dish.
Very good.
We
This.
shouldn't use it.
Okay. What is that?
Roll up in
What is this?
Plado.
This.
Bottle guard.
Here. This.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener. This.
Spices.
Spice container. Right. What is this?
What is a spoon?
What is this?
Open canner.
Can opener.
Can opener.
Now what is this?
Spider. Skimmer.
Very good. What is this?
No, this is tea kettle.
Tea kettle, or you can say teapot. No problem.
This is kettle.
In addition, I showed her some kitchen objects flashcard.
What is this?
Jar.
Share your views in comment box if you find this video helpful to you. Thank you. See you all in next video. Till then, bye bye.